Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make a decal in Roblox. Firstly, you have to open up your browser. Then in the search panel, type Roblox. Now go to the Roblox website. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then go to the Create section. From here, you have to click on the Creations tab. Now go to Development Items. From here, select Decals. Click on Upload Asset. After that, you can upload your own decal. So click on Upload. I'll just select an image of a cat. The name can be whatever you prefer. Then click on Upload. Now, as you can see, my decal has been uploaded. To check it, you need to go to roblox.com. Then go to your inventory. From the left side, click on Decals and select the decal you have just uploaded. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.